In this video, we'll be looking at the Query Purchases Blueprint node. This blueprint node will return all non-consumed and/or active subscriptions owned by the user of the application. We will get to how to manage which products get consumed and which don't in a later video. This is the blueprint node you would use if you would like to detect any owned purchases and recreate them for your player or provide any subscription benefits. In the event a subscription is cancelled, this blueprint node will correctly still return that subscription until the subscription has expired. The blueprint node will return a list of the same purchase objects we have seen previously in the launch billing flow and check for purchases blueprint nodes. The only difference is that it returns a full list. Let's dive into what that looks like. Here we are back in Unreal Engine 5.3 in our demo project. Right where we left off, looking at the Query Purchase History Blueprint node. We're now going to be looking at the Query Purchases Blueprint node. So let's start by bringing that up. As you can see again, it's under the Google Play Billing category. Let's pull the node in and have a look at it. As you can see, it's only got 3 parameters. The first being the type of product you would like to search for, either in-app products or subscriptions. Then we've got 2 delegates. The first being the onSuccess delegate, which we can have a look at here. Call it Query Purchases onSuccess. Once again, you can call that whatever you like. Here we have a list of purchase objects. The objects themselves look exactly the same as the object from our launch billing flow and check for purchases delegate. Here we've just split the struct, but if we recombine it, it's a single object, whereas for what we've got is a list of those. Here you can now find, if we were to run a for loop, we can then split this struct, get the same values as above, and we can then find what we would like to know about what the player owns. Once again, all this information is documented on our website. And our onFailure delegate has got the same signature as all other onFailure delegates, as can be seen here. Let's call it Query Purchase onFailure. Once again, it's got the billing response code and a response message for you to log to see more information. In summary, this blueprint node returns a list of the same purchase objects we've seen before, but only those owned by the user of your application. Again, this means any non-consumed and/or active subscriptions. We could use this information to reinstantiate owned purchases and enable subscription benefits for the user. I'll see you in the next video.